Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing an Egypt vlog. So basically I'm just going to be showing you guys the pyramids, everything I did in Egypt, because it was a really fun time and I really enjoyed it, and I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. By the way, this is the time I'm filming it, I'm already home. I just forgot to film an intro, so sorry if you guys are kind of confused as to why I'm home. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, we have arrived at the hotel. The time is currently 4:12 a.m. So we're probably gonna get 2 hours of sleep and then go for breakfast, but whatever. My dad is checking us in so we can go to our room or whatever. But we're just waiting, and our flight was pretty good. Yeah, this hotel is really nice. I see a Starbucks sign. I don't know if they have Starbucks in here, but the Starbucks sign's right there. And the hotel's literally perfect. Anyways, so yeah, that's the update for you guys. I'll just see you guys in the room or whatever. Do any of you guys have anything to say?
Yeah.
Wait, sure. Let Kelly go first.
The flight was tea. Honestly, the food was actually way better than I thought. I'm just looking sleep deprived, so don't mind me.
The flight was giving me heart attacks. But this hotel is shining. It's so nice. The floors are shiny. Yeah, I'm excited to see my room. I'm also tired. So we'll see you guys in the room, because we're probably gonna go to the room right now. Whatever. So see you guys in the room. Okay, bye guys. Wave everyone. So I'm currently in the bathroom right now, and I wanted to give y'all a little tour of the bathroom, because why not? So first we have these towels. They're like when you shower, take those towels. And then they gave us a lot of amenities. They gave us, let me run you down what they gave us. Okay, so they gave us 2 bars of soap. They gave us 3 shampoos. Wow. They gave us 3 different, the same type of shampoos. They also gave us 2 shower caps. They also gave us 3 shower gels. Yeah, and they also gave us a sanitary disposal bag, which is really cute. I love the setup. I don't know if y'all can see for real, but the setup is so cute. Let me see if I can show y'all. Look. I'm taking a picture that I'm posting on my Pinterest. They also gave us some glasses, I think, to rinse our mouth when we finish brushing our teeth. They gave us 2 glasses. So yeah, and then we have the toilet, and then we have the shower, and more towels, and then what's this? We have a box of tissue, and then we have a big mirror, bro. That's you guys. We have a big mirror. I just wish it would light up, but it's still so big and so cute. So yeah, that's the mirror, and then this is going to be a house tour or whatever. So when you leave the bathroom, go over here, and you see this place, and it just has a box of tissue and a mirror. It's kind of like a study area where you can set up your computer. Then they gave us an iron board with iron and the iron board. Then you come here, and I don't know what this is. Little room, I guess. There's a poster, and I don't know what that is. It looks like a chair or table. And then yeah, and then from here we have the view. It's very nice. Just have the view from outside. And yeah, very cutesy. Then when you go to your right, we have the rooms. Very cute, very nice. And then we have a little setup here where you can just like sit down. And then we have another huge window with the view. So get to watch the city or whatever. It's very nice. Then when you keep going forward, you have a little setup here, a little table with my brother. Then we have
I'm playing on my Nintendo Fortnite.
yeah. Then we have a mirror, another mirror. We have like so many mirrors. Then we have the kitchen, which has like sinks, a kettle, and we have like coffee stuff to make coffee. And then we have 2 big bottles of water. 2 big bottles of water. So yeah, and then we have another box of tissue, and we have like ports so you can like charge your phone and everything around the house. Then we have another view. We also have the fridge, and we have another view of the city. Very cutesy, very demure. Just very nice. Oh yeah, we also have a trash can. If y'all can see the trash can, yeah, over there. And then we have the couch area. And then we also have the TV. So yeah, that's literally everything. Let me go to the bathroom real quick. Okay guys, so this is where I'm going to stop recording for the day. I'm finna record tomorrow because today we kind of did nothing. We came home around 4 a.m. so we kind of like didn't get any sleep. So I'm just gonna stop recording, and then tomorrow we have a lot of activities plans. I think we're gonna see the desert, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later on, probably tomorrow. Bye.